Hello everyone, Renee with 5 and Makeover here, and today's quickie tippy, palette 7. I mean, you can tell, like, I like to apply it wet, and I just like to apply this palette and double it as like liner and luminizer and highlighter. Let's get started, shall we? Do not let the colors scare you, okay? First, grab your fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to start with yellow. I already did this side, and by the way, make sure you check the pictures. I put eye primer only on this side to start, and then when I put the shadow on both, wait till you see that picture. Okay, with your fluffy crease brush, let's get clubby. Now, these are highly pigmented, so you want to tap off and lightly just put this clubby, get clubby, right where your eye bone is, okay? Nope, need that a little bit more. Go for it. I have a little bit of sparkle. And kind of let it droop a little bit down, okay? Then, with your crease brush, let's get jazzy. So again, less is more. And as usual, of course, I can't see because, you know, I'm 46 and I really need to go to an eye doctor. Okay, your crease brush, super light. A good little tip to get used to super light. Hold your brush at the end, okay? And do like little windshield wiper, bloop, 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 okay? That's gonna give your eyes some depth. And it's kind of like a semi-smoky eye, but you know, the traditional, put the darker color in the crease, go a little bit down. Okay, with the same crease brush, let's get influenced. Remember, tap off. We're gonna put that right underneath that eye with the crease brush. Remember, super light. You don't want to tug on that delicate, tender skin under your eyes and cause more wrinkles, do you? No, we don't. Okay, by the way, if you hear Eminem in the background, I do not own the copyright to any Eminem. Okay, what did I do on this side? I always forget. Okay, this is my favorite. You ready to get electrified? So with your fluffy crease brush, normally I would squirt it with my brush cleaner, but as usual, now this is super pigmented. So you want to go right under your brow. Who highlights under their brows? It's one of those make your eyes look bigger tricks. Okay. Now, the beauty of the fluffy crease brush, if there's one brush that you need in your makeup bag, fluffy crease brush. Basically, the blending brush and crease brush had a baby and named it Fluffy. However, if you do have a blending brush, light, super, super light, okay? And with this blue jazzy color, we're also gonna go right on the top. You will see why I love color. Like, honestly, everyone should live life in color. Okay. I have to curl my lashes. Who can relate? My lashes are blonde and stick straight out, and if I don't curl them, they will poke you in the eye when I hug you. Okay, now Passionate Green pencil liner. Right on the top of that blue jazzy. It just kind of gives a little contrast. And then underneath, I'm going with a little Passionate pencil liner. Okay. Slap on a little bit of lash primer. Lash primer lengthens and conditions your lashes. I love the lash primer, especially if pre-pandemic you were getting falsies. You're going to want to check out my lash trio with lash primer, Esteem lash serum, which I also put on my brows. And you get to pick your mascara. Look at that. Okay, so let it dry for about 30 seconds. Near. Oh, Alexa thought I was talking to her. Hold on. I'm back. Okay, and I waited a couple extra seconds when I paused it just so the lash primer could dry. You ready for some lash tasticness? Okay. Lash Craft 4D One-Step Fiber Mascara. It's a double-sided wand packed full of fibers, so you want to get your wand a little naked, okay? Did you know the best way to put on mascara is to look down into your mirror and Super light hand, super light. Get your wiggle, jiggle, twirl on. Probably could have let this lash primer dry a little bit more, but hey. You guys are already seeing the lash-tasticness happen. And let's wipe a little off. Now, I know that some people like to put their mascara on when their lash primer's wet. I think it just takes longer and you waste mascara because you use a little more because it's a little stickier. I mean, it's personal preference and it really depends on how long you want to get your lashes. And then do a little on the back side, a little flip side action. There we go. I also like to do my lower lashes. I feel it makes my eyes look bigger. Hold on, I don't like, there we go. A little bloop with my lash brow comb. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. And then put your mirror regular. Remember, wipe off your wand. Get it slightly naked. Kind of like when we use our Splash liquid lipstick, right? Now, if you need waterproof, the 4D mascara, it's naturally based. Great for contact wears. It's not waterproof, however, and what I do, like back before the world ended, like when I'd be like working outside or, you know, well, I'm always hot and sweaty, you could just top your lashes with a coat of the regular Epic in black waterproof, and bada bing, bada boom. If you have any questions, let me know. This beautiful palette 7 has been, like, it's in the gone forever category. You know, we always come out with limited products, and I see a little bloopity oops. We always are coming out with limited products. I have 2 left. That is it. And then they are truly gone forever. And let me show you a quick tip, because I know I'm not the only one that gets mascara on my eye. Just get the spoolie from your brow spoolie brush. And it removes your mascara bloops, and it does not remove your makeup. Let me know what questions you have. Thank you for joining me, Rainbow Renee at 5 Min Makeover. So many options, so little time. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.